Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you the editing bundle you will need for editing the VSL videos you edit for your clients or yourself. So while I'm editing a lot of VSL videos, I found that there is a common graphics I used while editing these VSL videos because they are talking about the results, their clients' results, maybe some text or graphics showing into the screen, some counters to say the numbers and the results, and maybe some call to actions and the limited spots and all this stuff. The reason the prospect or the client are looking forward working with this person. So from this point, I now have one of the best, if not the best, VSL videos I've edited for one of my clients. And I made templates of these graphics I used, contains the text on the screen and the on the backgrounds. You can just reuse it and make slight changes like the colors and fonts to match your client's visual identity or the fonts he use or he or she use or whatever. So now I'll walk you through all these graphics, the main graphics that you can reuse for all the VSL videos you have, and make it look professional and amazing, and make your client happy with the results. And this is the same style of Devin Jethro VSL video on his website. Let's start with this one. So this is text on the screen. Just this is very simple text like this with some cool effects. You will drag this into the Premiere Pro. So this, you will need to make the dynamic link. You know what I mean? Or you can make just a green screen like this and export it and add it to your video. This is first thing, and this is very simple, I know. And this is second thing, which is this text with this dark and noisy background. You can just make it for, and after that we have this same thing, but with the logo. This is my client's logo, so you can use this also for the with the nice background effects. After that we have this graphic of the text scrolling into the screen. You can just change these text here.
Manual data entry, repetitive customer service, slow quote generation, inefficient schedule.
So this is the next one. After that we have the team. So this client and his partner. So in somewhere in the video, you will have to show this thing. Maybe there are three, so you can duplicate just this composition here, and change the position and make the thing. But the idea is already done, with this cool graphics. And same thing for the text and the background, glowing, and this effect, nice effects. After that we have the results. So you have here is the screenshots of the results, or that something is talking about, with a nice background and this cool graphics. So overall it looks professional, and you can just replace these screenshots, and I'll be showing you how you can replace it. Instead, you don't have to drag it here into the project panel and drag it here, because it will be dragged as a normal layer. But what you can do is just click on the image, this one for example, reveal in the project, and just make replace footage and choose your footage from here, and it will be automatically dragged and replaced with this one. And after that we have this. So this one you can use it or not, but it's just a cool graphic with some nice animations. I think you can use it or not. And this one is very important, because this is the features. He say, I'll help you make 1 2 3. Maybe he say 4, so you can just duplicate layers and make second one, but in most cases just 3 or something. So this is very easy to use. Just changing the text like this, change it, and it will be all working. And now you have the 3D look. And by the way, if you buy it and you need any help regarding you reusing it, you can message me. So this is for the features. You have the logo of the company, you have these boxes with the nice effects, and now you have this graphics, which is fast. If he says one word or or something which is important, talking about his offer or something, just you can just reuse it. You reuse this very fast and professional thing. And after that, we have counter in case you are he's saying specific numbers, specific thing you have, and you can make a green screen or drag it into Premiere Pro and reuse it for your project. So you can just click U from the keyboard and change this number to wherever you want. Okay, and we have one for the dollars and one for the percentage, and this one for the dollars. So you can just change it as you want. And by the way, if you want to make it like 1000, so that is 1.000 or something like that, you can just go to this source text and go to this expression here, and you have the zero, you can just change it to 2. So you have the three numbers here, and you can just change this number and retype the number, and it will be shown as you want, because it means like say like 100,000, 300 or something. So this will work. So for example, if he's talking about six figures, so this is the six figures. You can change it, like that. And after that, you have the clients, put the client's logos and say what he made. So you can just replace the logos of the graph with the clients. For example, this one, this one here. Go inside, click reveal into the project, and right click and replace footage, and replace it with anything you want. Just to make an example, like this is a wholly different thing. So this is changed here. Oh, this is a normal thing. And after that, we have the last call to action, where he say, we have limited spots. There is just 10 spots available. So you can reuse this graphic, just replacing the logo and changing the numbers. You have the counter here. You have 10 spots. This nice loading graphic. I think if you want to build this thing from scratch, it will take you at least 4 to 5 hours finishing all these graphics. But you can buy it for just a little bit of money, and it charge your clients at least $300 per VSL for the professional edits. And this is what I'm making. And this style is not anyone is using it. I designed everything from scratch and use it just one time, but you can reuse it with a little bit of changes of the colors, and it will be like a brand new graphic. So if you want these project files with all the compositions ready to use, just you will find it on the link below. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.